Hello, my friends. Thanks for joining me today and welcome to the Christmas in July Swap 2025. This is a swap that is hosted by Carol of A Crinkled Path, and I want to share with you real quick the other co-hosts. Sarah at New England Junk Journals, Pam of Pam VanEeJournalMaker, and Angela, the Traveling Crafter. And I also want to mention that there are a bunch of participants. I'm going to have them listed in my description box below. And also, there are some participants that are playing along inside of the District Net Makers Market, and I'll make sure I put that in my description box as well. Okay, my friends, so for week 3, we were supposed to mail 1 handmade Christmas or winter item and 2 Christmas winter supply items. All right, friends, let's get into this bag and see what my Secret Santa sent to me. Now, also, week 3, we reveal ourselves as the Secret Santas. So I'm going to be able to find out who my Secret Santa was. All right, my friends, the big reveal. I'm pretty sure it's in this card, which is really pretty, by the way. We have this little birdie here, and he's popped up, and so is this. That's super pretty. Season's greetings. Let's see. Hi, Jovi. I was excited to be your Secret Santa. I hope you have enjoyed the items I've sent. I really tried to keep my identity, craft style a secret since we are friends. And I haven't even read down here. I don't even know who it is yet, you guys. I'm going to cover it so I'm not tempted. So we know each other. This is so fun. Hold on, I'm covering it. I pushed myself to do new techniques. Hope you have a wonderful Christmas in July crafty season. Stay cool. All right, hold on. I'm going to look here. P.S. I've included items gifted to me from Bethany Parlett in the striped bag. Secret Santa style swap. 6/17/25. Okay, I'm getting ready to look. Warmest thoughts and best wishes for a wonderful holiday. Oh! Jennifer from Scrapbooks and Memories. Oh my gosh. Jennifer, how fun. I would not have guessed it was you. I wouldn't have. Because you're right, you did do a different crafty style. And, you know, I appreciate you pushing yourself out of your box there. That's awesome. So fun. All right, let's look and see what our wonderful Jennifer of Scrapbooks and Memories has sent to me. Let's start with this gorgeous sticker page. I love them. They're like they're matte, so I really actually love matte stickers. I like them much more than shiny stickers. And then we have these. Are these buttons? Oh, they're buttons. Look, they're so cute. Oh, these are going to be really fun to put in a journal. Look, pretty napkins. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look how pretty that is. It's all about the journey. And then, oh, look at this one. That's so cool. And then we have this one with flowers. Ah, so pretty. I love that. And then, okay, let's look at this real quick. This looks like vintage ribbon. So fun. And then let's open this. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. Little gingerbread men. They're cookies. Look at the Christmas cookie or the Christmas tree cookie. Ah, that's so cute. And I can use this. I'll just take this and iron it. I'll put a towel over top of it and I'll iron that and make it nice and straight. I love it. Let's look at this. Oh, you guys, a beautiful vintage card. Let me take this out real quick. Look at that. It's vintage. You can totally tell. I love it so much. The colors are fantastic. God's gift of love was meant for us all. The rich and the poor, the great and the small. Helen Steiner Rice. That is beautiful. And it's like a money holder. Ah, I love it. So pretty. And then inside of that, she put this really awesome wallpaper. Check it out. Look at this. Or did you emboss paper? It feels like wallpaper to me, but she might have just taken paper and embossed it. Well, it's gorgeous. Thank you. Can you guys see? Hold on, there we go. You can see the embossing. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. Thank you, Jennifer. And then here's another one. So pretty. I love those. Those are gorgeous. Okay, let's get into this little guy. Let's see what's in here. Ah, so cute. Paper ruffles with gold thread. I need to get some gold thread. That's beautiful, Jennifer. I love it. Here's another one. Oh, these are so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, I love them. Look. They're great. And I love the color palette. Absolutely love it. And then look at this. She made me a shaker. Or it maybe came from, let's honor our friend here, Bethany Parlett. In the striped bag. These are from Bethany. Well, I mean, they're from Jennifer. Bethany made them. I love them. They're absolutely beautiful. Look at that shaker. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. Well, thank you, Jennifer, for being my secret Santa. I appreciate it. That's so fun. And thank you, my friends, for being here, for supporting the swap. We all appreciate you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.